Artificial intelligence has become a prominent topic in today's technological landscape, shaping industries and transforming the way we live and work. From intelligent virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is revolutionizing various sectors and opening up new possibilities. In this video, we will embark on a journey into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its key concepts, applications, and potential impact on society. By the end of this short video, you'll have a solid understanding of AI and its significance in our increasingly digital world. 1. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of machines and systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. AI systems learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and interact with the environment to achieve specific goals. 2. Machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning is a crucial component of AI that enables computers to learn from data and improve performance without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, form the backbone of machine learning algorithms. These networks process and analyze data to make predictions and decisions. 3. AI applications. AI has found applications across numerous industries, revolutionizing processes and enhancing efficiency. In healthcare, AI is being used for disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI-powered algorithms assist with fraud detection, investment strategies, and risk assessment. Industries such as transportation, education, manufacturing, and customer service are also leveraging AI to drive innovation and streamline operations. 4. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more advanced and pervasive, ethical considerations are paramount. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement need to be addressed. Striking a balance between technological advancement and ethical implementation is crucial for the responsible development and deployment of AI systems. 5. The future of AI. The future of AI holds immense potential. According to recent studies, the global AI market is projected to reach $190.61 billion by 2025, with industries like healthcare, automotive, and retail leading the adoption. As AI continues to advance, we can expect innovations in areas such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, personalized medicine, and human-robot collaboration. This video provided an introductory journey into the world of artificial intelligence. We explored the definition and core concepts of AI, including machine learning and neural networks. We delved into real-world applications across various industries, highlighting the transformative impact of AI. Ethical considerations were discussed, emphasizing the importance of responsible AI development. Finally, we glimpsed into the future of AI, recognizing its potential for further advancements and societal impact. With AI becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, understanding its fundamentals is essential. As we navigate the evolving landscape of technology, AI presents both opportunities and challenges. By harnessing its power responsibly, we can unlock new frontiers and shape a future where AI enhances our lives while upholding ethical principles and ensuring inclusivity. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video on social media.